Let's talk about, do blood vessels carry the same amount of fluid no matter what the size? Now, let's look at this both ways. One, it's a closed circuit, so the volume remains the same within the blood vessel. The flow could be altered, but the volume remains the same. If you look at the size of the individual, now that's a different story, because the bigger the person, let's say you got an adult, they have about 4.7 liters of blood in their vessels all over their whole body. And a child would have about 80 pounds of weight, would have approximately 2 liters. A baby that weighs about 8 pounds would have about 8.5 ounces of blood. So when you look at, does a blood vessel carry the same amount of fluid no matter what the size, it depends on what you're talking about. If you're talking about the size of the person, then it does matter. If you're not talking about the size of the person, you're talking about the volume within the blood vessel that's in a closed circuit, the flow is the only thing that can be altered unless the volume is decreased, but it does remain the same because it's a closed circuit unless there's a bleed out.